Hi guys, this is my Pajero's motor. It's a 6G74, and if you're wondering where are the spark plugs, how do I get to the spark plugs? So if you look at this monster, you can see we've got covers over here, we've got this horrible intake here, I think it's called a plenum. Anyway, you think it's under here somewhere, it's actually over here. This plastic cover houses your spark plugs on this side and on that side, on both heads. So you'll need to remove this to get access to your plugs, and on top of the plugs are the coil packs. So we've got bolts over here, bolts over there, easy to get to, and we've got it running along the bottom of the plastics. Just take a look in your motor. Then there's this bracket on the side that holds this plenum, right? This guy here, it unscrews at the bottom under the motor. It's quite easy to get to, not difficult. That comes off first of all. Now we need to get to the plugs. Once you've loosened these bolts, all you do is slip it out the way, and voila, there are your coil packs. 1, 2 and 3. I've already removed this one. I'm actually putting it back, but just for you guys to see, you remove this with a socket. These come off pretty easily, and a long nose pliers just to get these out the way. Don't drop them into the motor anywhere, you'll have to go looking for it. And then these coil packs pop right off. You can even remove this electrical plug. It's quite easy, you can't get it wrong, it only fits back one way. There's your coil pack, do one at a time. Then down inside there is your spark plug. You need a narrow spark plug tube. I've actually got 2 coupled into one. All the way down, let it grip, loosen it, and then what I do is I take a piece of hose pipe. Let me show you. I'm going to loosen this first, and I'll show you what I do. That's it, loosen all the way. And once it's loosened, it pretty much won't come out. You can try long nose pliers. I tried it, it doesn't work. I've got this piece of hose here which I stick down and try to push it down onto the plug, and then I pull it out like that. Get it with your finger and pull it out, and here we go. So what I've done is I've actually just given it a bit of a clean. I checked the gap because I haven't had a misfire or anything. I'm just doing a bit of a service, not service, but just keeping things maintained as best I can. And to pop it back, just reverse the process. Make sure you don't cross thread it. Make sure it goes all the way. And remember, never over tighten it. Never over tighten your spark plug. Here we go, and then that's fine. Just a small little pinch closed, and then we can bring the coil pack back on top. Not too much rocket science going on here. And now we can replace these and fasten the coil packs back on to where they belong. That's the first one. Going old school here. There we go, that's taken in. Don't tighten it up yet. You've still got to line this one in here. The second hole there. Once that's in, and you tighten up. Turn, turn, turn. Tighten that. Tighten that, and then take your other socket and give it a bit of a pinch. last but not least, take your plug, put your plug back on, must click in, and that's it. I'm going to take out each and every plug, so you do the same procedure for each plug. Away you go, good luck. Alright, now for the left hand side of the motor. As you can see, here's that same plate that covers the plugs, so we're going to need to remove this bracket here, this bracket. We're going to remove this bracket here, and we're going to remove this intake over there. Let's have a look up there, over here. So this comes off, so we can gain access straight from here. Here we go. Right, everything has been put back together again, as you can see. So this air pipe here, we took off here and over there. This was removed. This whole unit here, this air intake, there are 4 bolts. And remember the hidden bolt at the back here? That was all removed, it's now been put back. This bracket as well. This bracket here. That main bracket at the bottom there has also been returned, and we didn't have to remove this bracket here. And that is it, people. Let me know if you have any comments, any suggestions. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a good day. Ciao, ciao.